Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw the Optimism token from your Trust wallet. It's easy to do this. Make sure you're opening any of the wallet that your Optimism is stored on, be it the MetaMask or Trust wallet. So once you've opened the wallet, it's pretty easy to do this. Once Trust wallet has opened up, all you need to do now is make sure you have the Ethereum, that's the Optimism Ethereum on your wallet. The OP Ethereum, that's this Ethereum right here, the OP Ethereum is used to cover gas fees and any transaction fees that you might have or you are required to cover. So if you're going to be making transactions out of Trust Wallet, you're going to need this to cover the gas fees. So now all you need to do is make sure you have the Optimism token added. By clicking the icon at the top right, click on this icon, simply search for OP, and you'd find that the Optimism is enabled. So make sure you enable the Optimism on your wallet. This OP token, make sure you enable this token. And once you've enabled this token, make sure you also have this Ethereum. Otherwise, click on the buy option that's here and use your credit card to get some Ethereum. This Ethereum is important for transactions. So guys, for the Optimism token, click on this Optimism, click on the send option. And now we're going to be sending the Optimism token to a centralized exchange. And the centralized exchange we're going to be sending it to is Binance. So all you need to do is open up your Binance. With the Binance opened up, click on the deposit icon. Once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for OP, that's Optimism. Once you've selected Optimism, click on Optimism, click on the Optimism network, copy your address. Once you've copied this address, minimize and open up your Trust wallet and paste this address there. Enter the amount you wish to send and simply click on next. Once you've done this, we'll be able to send the Optimism over to our centralized exchange, Binance. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.